Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn three very important English words. An, on, and at. These three words are called prepositions. They are very common in English, but many English learners get confused about when to use them. So let's make it simple. 1. In. Let's start with an. We usually use an when something is inside a place. For example, I'm in the room. She's in the car. They're in the house. We can also use an with countries and cities. For example, I live in Egypt. She lives in Cairo. So remember, an equals inside something or a larger place. An with time. We also use an with longer periods of time. For example, in 2026. And July. And summer. And the morning. Let's look at some examples. I was born in 1997. My birthday is in July. We usually travel in summer. I study English in the morning. So remember, an plus year, an plus month, an plus season, an plus part of the day. 2. On. Now let's talk about on. We use on when something is touching a surface. For example, the phone is on the table. The book is on the desk. The picture is on the wall. In these examples, the objects are touching a surface. We also use on with days and specific dates. For example, on Monday, on Friday, on July 15th. Let's look at some sentences. I go to the gym on Monday. We have a meeting on Friday. My birthday is on July 15th. So remember, on plus day, on plus specific date. 3. At. Now let's talk about at. We usually use at for a specific point or a very specific time. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. The class starts at 8 o'clock. Let's meet at 6:30. Here, we're talking about an exact time. So remember, at equals exact time. We can also use that for a specific place or point. For example, I'm at the airport. He's at work. She's at school. I'm at the bus stop. We're thinking about the place as a specific point. Here's an easy way to remember all three. In. Think about something big or inside. In 2026. In July. In Egypt. In the room. On. Think about days, dates, or surfaces. On Monday. On July 15th. On the table. At. Think about an exact time or specific point. At 7 p.m. At the airport. At work. One example with all three. Look at this sentence. I was born in 1997 on July 15th at 8 a.m. Why do we use three different words? In 1997 because it's a year. On July 15th because it's a specific date. At 8 a.m. because it's an exact time. So you can remember it like this. And bigger period. On specific day or date. At exact time. That's it. If you practice these three words every day, you'll stop confusing them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.